Hello everyone. In this video I will be showing you how you can repair the LED cable in case you run into any issues, and what you will be needing is you will need a repair kit which has the following items in it. You'll need a cable stripper, the wire concealer, and then also a jack, and I'll be showing you what these parts do in just a minute. And then you also need a pair of scissors, which is not included in the kit. So if you've already tried, uh, you've plugged in your adapter, but you notice that the LED isn't working, the issue is probably could be with one of the connections. Like over here, this could have gone loose, or in some cases come out completely like that. And I'm going to show you how, if you are in a situation like this, how you can fix it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open the cable completely. So now you are at this point, and feel free to cut it. And what we are going to be doing is we'll need to strip off these cables and insert it into our new jack, and then we essentially won't be needing this jack anymore. We'll plug it into this new jack, and that's about it. So yeah. Before you begin, please make sure that the cables aren't plugged in and that you are in a safe working space and no children around. So what I'm going to begin with is I'm going to strip off the cable. So use the widest opening, and then just tap on it lightly. You have this piece off. You want to use the narrowest one and then try to expose the copper. So take one at a time. Yeah, so this is what you need to do, and do the same on the other one. Once you have the cables stripped, what you want to do is we want to get rid of this old jack, and the way you can do it is you can use your cable stripper, and you can use it to hold the jack, and you want to turn clockwise. And when you turn clockwise, you will see that we are essentially unscrewing the jack. And once you have more on the other side, then you can come this way and turn the other way, anti-clockwise. And once you have gotten rid of that jack, you want to put your cables through here, and let's make sure it's the straight side. There's gonna be one side that's rougher, so let's put it through the rougher side. The orientation doesn't matter as much, so that should be okay. Now that you have this, what we will do is we will take the black and connect it with the black. So in order to connect it, what you will do is you will keep one as stationary and then just twist them together. So keep twisting them till they are nice and secure. And do the same with the reds. Connect the reds together. Yes, so now that you have connected the two cables together, the black with the black and red with the red, it's time to plug it into a new jack. So the way to do this is, when you take the new jack, you want to make sure that you are plugging the black into the negative and red into the positive. It's hard to see the positive and negative in the video, but you should be able to read it on the jack itself. Just put the red into the positive. Make sure it goes in all the way. Once it's in, let's secure it by tightening the screw. You want to make sure it's nice and tight. Do the same on the other side. We are going with the red into the positive. So once it's nice and tight, the next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure you seal the cables before you plug it into the adapter. So I will take some of this electric tape here. I like to first wrap the wires individually and then together. So to do that, you can splice the cable into half. Splice the tape into half. Do the same on the other side. And once you have wrapped the cables individually, what you will do is now you can wrap them together so it's one secure connection. So take a little bit of tape. Do the same thing. I like to go once from bottom to top and then once from top to bottom. Make sure you have a nice tight connection. And I'll go once from top to bottom. Make sure it's all nice and tight, there's no air gap anywhere. And now we have successfully replaced a new LED jack. Now before you plug it in, it's best to securely store away all the extra supplies that you have. Once you have your area all clean, you can plug in the adapter. Okay, that works. So in this video you've learned how you can replace an old jack that's not working anymore with the new jack using the repair kit that you can request from our store. Thank you.